If you need to remove an object from your video in DaVinci Resolve, here's a simple way to do it. First, make sure your clip is placed in the timeline. In this example, I have a video of a car that I want to remove. Start by selecting the clip and copying it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then, paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. This will create a duplicate of your clip. Now, make sure the duplicated video is placed directly above the original in the timeline. Select the second video layer, go to the Video tab on the right side of the screen, and click on Masks. Choose the mask shape that best matches the object you want to remove. Then, draw a mask around that object to isolate it. Next, click the Invert button in the Mask settings on the right side of the screen. This will flip the selection so that everything except the masked area is visible. Now, move the second video layer aside for a moment. Then, adjust the first video layer by shifting it slightly up, down, left, or right depending on your footage. This will help cover the object you are trying to remove. Once that's done, reposition the second video layer back to its original place. Now, refine the mask settings to blend the two layers together seamlessly. Play around with feathering and softness to make sure the edit looks natural. Now, when you play the video, you'll see that the object has been removed.